Talk to me for a minute. That's it.
What are you up to today?
Nothing. I don't want to talk about helmets. I'm going to let that go by.
That's rain out here.
You're a smart guy.
Right?
Explain to me, why does Alberta have a deficit?
Well, they planned a lot higher revenue from their oil reserves than they got. So their revenue fluctuates a whole lot based on the price of oil. And because there's stranded barrels of oil in Alberta, in other words, they can't get out to market. That's why this West-East pipeline is being considered, right? They can't go west, they can't go south, they can't get out to the east at this point, but we're hoping we'll get that pipeline in. That'll relieve their market concerns, and they'll get oil out to the world markets. So because of that, the price of oil is way down, which means their revenue is way down. And so that's had a big impact on their planned expand revenue into their system.
They've been cut down on healthcare costs for years and years, so why cut healthcare costs and then they get a deficit?
You think of the situation they're in.
What's the difference between healthcare and here?
Their situation could change overnight if they can get the barrels out to market, and they'll get all this revenue from the royalties they get on crude barrels.
Really?
Well, we don't have that capability here. Mind you, we're looking at gas and other things that happen, right?
I'm coughing,
so we'll be in better shape. But that's the situation they're in.
Really? So they haven't went into the reserve fund.
Yes.
They haven't touched it. Only extreme emergency they will touch that, right? So if they have a hard time to do that, how can we do it here?
Well, I mean, if the oil prices go back, they'll be balanced. But in the interim, they're controlling their expenses, cutting their expenses, not to go into debt any further. Well, we have a much more of a concern here because we don't have that windfall of oil revenue that can change our situation dramatically.
That's it. Thank you.